Hi, my name is Andrea Evans, and I'm the owner of the law firm of Andrea Hintz Evans, an intellectual property law firm.
What is intellectual property and why should they be aware of it?
Sure. So that's a great question. Intellectual property is divided into three parts: patents, trademarks, and copyrights. Simply put, you patent an invention, trademark the names of those inventions, and copyright written materials.
All right, so talk about why you created this program.
Well, I'm an engineer. I'm actually a patent attorney.
Wow.
And when Naya was in kindergarten, I noticed that her school didn't have a science program. We've always done a lot of science projects at home, and working with your friends actually will expose you. And I learned that by the third grade, children permanently lose their interest in science and engineering. So
sad.
Yes, and in order for us to out-compete, out-innovate, and outperform other countries, we have to have early intervention and early exposure to STEM. Everyone's been asking me, what is the refrigerator social media method? So I'm going to tell you some tips and tricks that have actually worked for me. And I think it's great that you all are here because I know, being an entrepreneur myself, owning my IP practice for 10 years, that when you post things on social media, you want results.
So after that date, what would be your recommendation on people that are considering to file, or if they don't know to file, what would be?
Well, it's simple, file. Because it's now
file.
The first person to get it in. So I definitely would not wait. And if you can determine that you have something that is patentable, file it. Don't wait. And then come to shows like this and network. And if you find someone that picks it up or achieves your goal by licensing or things like that, at least you have some type of protection to stand on.
No matter who they are, patent attorney Andrea Evans can make or break their ideas.
Everybody thinks they have the next best thing, but three things have to happen. The invention needs to be useful and solve a problem. The invention needs to be novel or new, and it needs to be non-obvious.
If there are three tips, someone right now, you can give someone right now who's watching, they have this idea, they just don't know how to make it become a reality. What are the three most important tips you would give them right now?
I would say definitely create a strong brand. So you want to create a name that may be like a Google, something that doesn't mean something in the dictionary, and then consult with someone like myself to trademark it. If you have an invention, you would want to determine if it's patentable. So consult with an attorney like myself to do some research. And lastly, intellectual property can be intimidating, so consult with a qualified attorney to determine if you need to patent, trademark, or copyright your intellectual property.
And these are all things that people will get the chance to learn at the Write Your Worth conference that's happening. It starts tomorrow, right?
That's right. I'll be speaking tomorrow, and the conference is Write Your Worth, and I will be talking about protecting your worth.